Hi friends, welcome to my channel konkanilearn.com. I also have a website of the same name. The link I will share below. Visit the site and have a look. Today's video is about names of animals in English and Konkani. Well, you must be wondering, hey, this is a Konkani learning channel and why I am speaking in English. Where Konkani is relevant, I will speak in Konkani. Otherwise, many non-Konkani speaking people will find it difficult to understand. The main point will be both in English and Konkani, I mean translated. Every word cannot be translated because I have to make the video interesting. Friends, please remember there is a subscription button below. Hope you know where it is. Don't be a conjure to click on that. Let the subscription grow because that gives me motivation to create more valuable videos for you. Without wasting further time, let's begin. Today in this video, I have gathered the names of most common animals and their translations from English to Konkani. The Konkani names may differ from country to country and from state to state. Let me know if you have any differences in the names in the comment section below. I would love to know as what you call these animals at your house. So here comes the first animal. What is dog called in Konkani? Sune wo suno. What is dog called in Konkani? Sune wo suno. What is bitch called in Konkani? Koli. What is bitch called in Konkani? Koli. What is squirrel called in Konkani? Chani. Chani is called squirrel in Konkani. What is ox called in Konkani? Boil. Boil. What is horse called in Konkani? Godo. The horse is called Godo in Konkani. What is mare called in Konkani? Godi. The mare is called Godi in Konkani. What is donkey called in Konkani? Gadav. Gadav. What is rhinoceros called in Konkani? Gendo. Gendo is the Konkani word for rhinoceros. What is deer called in Konkani? Haran. Haran is the Konkani word for a deer. What is musk deer called in Konkani? Kasturi. Kasturi. What is giraffe called in Konkani? Well, a giraffe. The giraffe itself is called giraffe in Konkani. What is fox called in Konkani? Kolo. Kolo is called the fox. What is vixen called in Konkani? Koli. Vixen is called Koli in Konkani. What is mongoose called in Konkani? Mungus. Yes, it's called mungus in Konkani. What is cat called in Konkani? Mazor. The cat is called Mazor in Konkani. What is sheep called in Konkani? Mandro. What is the sheep called in Konkani? Mandro. What is the monkey called in Konkani? Makod. The monkey is called Makod in Konkani. What is buffalo called in Konkani? Mosh. The mosh is called buffalo in Konkani. What is bison called in Konkani? Go redo. Go redo. What is rabbit called in Konkani? Soso. The rabbit is called Soso in Konkani. What is lion called in Konkani? Shu. What is lion called in Konkani? Shu. What is the rat called in Konkani? Undir. Undir moja mama. Undir. What is the bear called in Konkani? One shell. What is the bear called in Konkani? One shell. What is tiger called in Konkani? Wag. What is tiger called in Konkani? Wag. What is the elephant called in Konkani? Voti, wo hathi. Voti, wo hathi. How do you say pig in Konkani? Dukhor. How do you say pig in Konkani? Dukhor. What do we call goat in Konkani? Bokri. What do we call a goat in Konkani? Bokri. What is wolf called in Konkani? Landgo. The wolf is called Landgo in Konkani. What is frog called in Konkani? Bebo. The frog in Konkani is called Bebo. What is the camel called in Konkani? Woont. What is the camel called in Konkani? Woont. What is the cheetah called in Konkani? Chito. What is the cheetah called in Konkani? Chito. What is cow called in Konkani? Gai. What is cow called in Konkani? Gai. What is hippopotamus called in Konkani? Pangodo. What is hippopotamus called in Konkani? Pangodo. What is wild boar called in Konkani? Randukor. What is the wild boar called in Konkani? Randukor. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you want more such videos, give me a like and a motivating comment. I will surely reply immediately. Bye and take care. Mog Asandi.